Hello everyone, welcome to Trade. Today we're going to be seeing the Nifty and Banknifty levels for 27 Jan. Sorry, the video is a little late, so let's quickly see the level. This is the daily chart of Banknifty. We had a pretty nice dip on the last Wednesday, the last week expiry. Now, what the view that we had was we had this trend line on the top. Exactly, we took resistance on this trend line on the top and dipped, and we had this kind of the support at the bottom. Though we have broken the support in Bank Nifty, what is pretty crucial is though we have broken the slanting support, we haven't broken the support of this previous low at about 41,566, right? If I just remove everything and put this line of 41,566, we haven't broken this. We have taken support right here. So there are two possibilities for tomorrow and the next week and the session where the budget is. One, we made this type of a extended correction on this daily, and we could bounce from here. This is probably like a nice, if I just put that in a different color, maybe this was like a nice triangle pattern. We could break out of it because exactly these levels have been previously respected, right? The other possibility is if this dip has to continue, we will have to trade below 41,500. If we trade below 41,500, we could reach this level of 41,000 on the downside. Though on the 15 minutes, quickly we'll check the other levels, but the bearish view tomorrow will continue if we trade below 41,500. There is also a possibility we could just get some small dip in the opening, some panic kind of a selling might kick in, and then we should bounce on the upside, right? So this is what might happen, but we'll have to see. If we continue to trade below 41,500, right, we could get this extended dip on the downside. So let's quickly see the 15-minute chart for our levels in Bank Nifty first. So we had this nice structure on this 15-minute chart where we broke down from it and had this nice dip. Now, the next possible support on the downside is 41,330 and 41,050 in case we go down. In case we go higher, if we trade above 42,000, there's a good chance we could see the levels of 42,360 and back to 42,733. And sorry, this was the 1 hour chart. Now on the 15-minute chart, if I put on the CPR, on the 15-minute chart, when I put on the CPR, we see there is a pretty wide CPR. So there is a good possibility if tomorrow we don't get that extended move, we could be in a sideways, most probably within kind of the zone between 41,500 and 42,000, because this is where we have this type of a support, right, and a wide CPR. So in case we break out of this and the CPR, we could see higher levels, and if we start trading below 41,500, we could slip on the downside. So this is a view with Bank Nifty on the 15-minute chart. Now let's just see the Nifty levels quickly. In Nifty on the daily chart, though we had a nice dip, we didn't break this previous support of 17,775, right? And earlier we had this trend line in Nifty where Nifty kind of broke out of it, and once again there's a possibility this move was kind of a retest of this trend line. So either way, there is a good possibility that a bounce in Nifty and Bank Nifty can come tomorrow before the budget session, or it might remain sideways and probably get a bounce like a pre-budget rally on Monday or so. So we should be ready for anything. Now on the 15-minute chart, if we break above this 17,949, we could see this level of 18,086 again. This is all if we get a flat opening. If we get a pretty big opening, then these are the levels that we will have to trade with. And any down move is only if 17,850 is broken, because this level has been this level has acted as support twice, and the next support on the downside is 17,777 and this level of 17,672. So based on how the market is positioned on this daily chart, we can expect some kind of an up move as long as this level doesn't break in Bank Nifty, that is 41,500. As long as we don't break 41,500, there is a possibility we can go on the upside. If 41,500 breaks, we could get a further dip. And the same on Nifty. As long as this level of 17,700 is not broken on the downside, we could get a move on the upside. If this level breaks, we could get a further dip in Nifty. So that's it. Just a quick video for the levels for tomorrow. Either way, the VIX will be high. Already the premiums are quite higher compared to the previous Fridays. So until budget, we will have to trade carefully and with